Hi, Randy Jessen here with some conversation about Mentored Ministry 720 and especially your ethnographic presentations. Now, don't let the word ethnographic freak you out. It's just a matter of exploring the possibilities of things that are already in place and have been around you in your surroundings. So, your ministry setting in 720 is focused on cross-cultural dynamics. So you're going to be looking at an ethnographic process of reporting and describing a situation, but you're going to describe it from something more than just the surface. You're going to dig in deeper. You're going to be like an investigative reporter, and you're going to look into the history. You're going to look into the dynamics. What are the situations and circumstances in this particular ministry setting or with these particular individuals that created this situation? You want to bring yourself into the situation as well. Make sure that you take a close look at your own biases, your own prejudice, your own dynamics of your history and your background and everything that you bring to that situation. That'll be a major part of the conversation that we'll focus on. Be sure that you watch the video that is present. It's posted right there. There's a link to it in the very top of the ethnographic guidelines. Read those guidelines carefully, follow the outline, let the outline inform your presentation. You don't have to touch every one of those bases, but it's a good reminder to think about what are some of the dynamics that I should be focusing on. Be sure that after you watch the video and you follow the guidelines, the outline, that you are really sensitive to the things that are going on around you. And that sensitivity will make all the difference in the outcome. Now, each one of you is going to post your own ethnographic research, and you're going to post it on Monday morning, whatever your schedule is. It's coming up starting really soon. Thank you for those who are going early, by the way. That's a very helpful dynamic. I understand that it's a little frightening not to have somebody leading the way for you. But take a look at those samples that I sent you as well. That'll help you also. But each one of you is going to make a presentation. You're going to present and post on Monday morning of your week. You're going to post prior to 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. That gives your group, your small group, plenty of time to be able to read your material and to respond with some comments and insights. You will see if you are commenting on someone else's presentation, at the end of the outline is a whole set of dynamics that give you a chance to be able to analyze the conversation, and it'll help you frame the material that you share with the presenter. So if you are presenting, you're going to present on Monday morning, and then on Friday, as we come to the close of the week, you're going to post a summary of the kind of insights that you gained or actions that you might take or things that you learned from the conversation with your small group. I want you to stay in close touch, daily conversation with members of your group if you are the presenter, so that you can respond to everything that your classmates have added to the conversation. If you are a person who is responding week by week, here's an important feature I want you to think about. I want you to post prior to Wednesday each week. So your presenter is going to post on Monday morning. You have a chance to be able to read that material, give it some prayerful thought, and then respond. Do that before Wednesday of each week. If you wait till Thursday or Friday or Saturday, then it's kind of like walking into an empty classroom where everybody's been dismissed and speaking a question to an empty room. Don't do that. Post early. That'll be the most effective way to help the person who's making the presentation. And you're going to be that person on one of these weeks. So be sure that you post early and dig into the conversation. The class group has been divided into two small groups, so you will only see the conversation that's happening within your group. There'll be another conversation that's happening with the other group at the same time. But be sure that you focus on who you are and what you bring. Investigate, dig deep, discover the things that are in the background, the things that make culture rich and alive. Often there are things that are kind of hidden from us. Remember that. Our culture that we walk in, we live in every day, it becomes sort of invisible to us because it's so common for us. the way we think, the values that we hold, the way we engage people, the kind of expectations we have of others, all kinds of things that come along that are just hidden from us because they're just a part of the water that we swim in every day. So take a look, open yourself, dig a little bit deeper, and explore the horizons, and you'll find that you will develop an essential tool for long-term effective ministry. I'm looking forward to reading your presentations and interacting with you. Let's have a really great semester. God bless you all.